just get the drone back. Hopefully it was just the ribbon that was broken and then they actually fixed it. So let's see, first test flight. You ready?
Yeah, don't crash it, there's trees. So far so good?
I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me.
Alright, we just made it to Hidden Valley. I think it's a wild camp, kind of like with the wildlife. And you can see over there
I'm not sure if you can see it.
kangaroos. Wallabies or kangaroos.
No, I'm sure it's a kangaroo. It's hidden in the bush there. It's a big one, actually. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just there through the trees. What is he doing? Sitting on the car while driving. Kids don't do that.
That's how we go with the start. Hopefully she's not gonna drop it from there.
Woo!
The bottom line is stay away from drugs.
Nope.
Pasta is good. I think the pasta's good.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright, this site is pretty epic. Right in nature, and the kids just starting the campfire, so hopefully we can join later on when they've gone to bed. Pasta's ready. Pot is right here, just cooling down. Careful, it's hot. What's next?
Sauce.
Sauce. What's going in the sauce?
Garlic, onion, carrot.
Grated carrot just over here. Chicken mince. So we just had a visitor to our campsite. Not sure if you can spot it there. Emu's right there. Just checking out everybody's campsite and what's left. Apparently he's looking for sponges. He loves to eat sponges, so...
So I got to know that it's actually normal to eat the emu. I thought they're protected or something, but it's actually, there's farms, you said?
I think there might be emu farms, whether there's, you can eat them or...
Well, that's definitely something
that,
to
but
try.
I've seen on markets way back in Melbourne that they've made
You ate it before?
once in cans.
I would like to have some emu in my dish. And this is our new addition to Nutri Wallet. So we decided to get this one in case you want like fast breakfast. If we're leaving somewhere, we don't have time to cook. Some snacks, some smoothies, And let's see. First, ta-da. There we go.
All right, ingredient number 1.
Gonna get into my secret shake. Yes, meat oats. Yeah, these are seedless kind of. Yeah, some dates. Peanut butter.
Yum.
Get your healthy fat in.
Get your greens.
Get your doing stuff there.
Let's find milk between all the sweets in here.
Yes. Be generous. Right. First thing to do before you hit the road, check the oil, check the water level. That's what I learned recently. Never had to do that before. So it's a learning curve. You always learn. The oil, for those of you who don't know, like me before, it goes in here. So this is how you check it. Take it out, clean it, put it back in there. Take it out again, and so it has to be between the minimum and the full there, so somewhere in between. If it's a little bit over, it's fine, like our case now. Here you can see full and minimum, so somewhere in between, everything works fine.
She's calling me, like the rainbow. She's calling me, like the rainbow.
Alright, we're gonna head to the sand for the first time after yesterday's debacle. Like, we got booked by the beach. People were taking videos, probably laughing at us, but they were two awesome people, actually three. A couple and a guy that came straight away and helped us out. Sorry we didn't ask for your names, but thank you so much for helping us out. You guys were amazing, you are amazing. Legends, exactly. So let's see how we do today. We went to the shops, asked for a bit of help, just, you know, getting some insights on how to drive on the sand and yeah, not get stuck hopefully.
Look, if you're a beginner, don't be embarrassed to ask, just ask. It's better than getting stuck like I did yesterday. I'd rather ask people than get in a bad situation and then you ask for help. So it won't harm. Ask, you're a beginner, you want to know how to do the four-wheel driving, have fun on the beach.
Alright, step number one. Put these in the lock position. What are they called again? Well, I have to look it up. Oh my god, we're so new to this. They are called freewheeling hubs. Alright, locked. Anyway.
So the first thing they told us about before you hit the sand, make sure to deflate the tires so you don't get bogged. Bogged means getting stuck. I didn't know that word before.
Bogged.
Bogged. So yeah, the recommended thing is 20 psi. So our tires now, they were at 42. So before we hit the sand, we put on them to 20. Simple device, deflator. Not as simple.
Simple device?
It took us probably like 15 minutes to figure it out.
One YouTube video help of one other old gentleman, and we've figured it out.
No.
Tires are deflated.
Car keys.
All right. Where are the car keys now?
No.
Oh, I think I took them.
Oh, great.
Oops. But where did I put them? Oh no. Okay. Was I sitting on them? Yes, I was. All right.
I'll leave you here. Bye.
He wishes.
So this is the thing. Now we deflated the tires, and they said before you hit the really like bumpy, rocky, sandy road, go into four-wheel driving, and hopefully you're not gonna get stuck. We'll see.
Let's do it.
Woo.
Woo.
So here's the thing, I never driven roads like this before. The first time we hit the road, this gravel thing, a bit bumpy. It was really bumpy before we deflated the tires. Everything rattles.
He's never
It's
driven
crazy.
on a road before. Oh my god.
I mean, this kind of roads. And now we deflated it and it's really good. Like, you can't drive fast on this road. Like, I'm driving like 40, which is really good. I was driving 20. Good tip. Maybe some of you out there be like, you didn't know that.
And so far so good. Everything, all the build, everything is holding up. There's not really much rattling, so that's nice. It's just us that goes.
Always
Straight, keep going straight. Woo! Oh my god! Just a second here. You got this, Aymen, you got this.
Show them what you got, sunshine.
Ready for this one?
I think so.
Can't see the water! It's just there. And I think we turn to the left. Aymen's gonna fly the drone. Alright. Woo! Amazing! I feel so good driving your own car by the beach. Woo!
Alright, we just made it here. The water looks so clear and nice. Can't wait to jump in. And it's quite busy actually. It's really busy.
He's getting ready to surf. Where is he?
Let's catch some waves.
Good luck.
Alright, lunchtime by the beach. Woo!